Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing a pair of shoes sent to me by the company Anothersole. I am excited to try these. Let's just go ahead and open these up and I'll tell you what I got. I got the style Paloma in Zulu White. Wait, I am not doing this well. Okay, not the scissors. And hold on. Okay, maybe the scissors would have been a good idea. So yeah, okay. So I got the style Paloma in Zulu White. I was thinking about going for a more nude color because I was thinking that will go with more things. But I asked my sister, as every woman knows how to do, and she gave me the advice. She said, go for the white ones. And I was like, oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me. And I could imagine and envision more outfits with the white ones, like a pair of little white Keds, which I probably had in high school and haven't had since. Okay, we're getting there. So I'm excited to share with you a few of the outfit ideas I had in a bit. I think they can be really versatile for wearing with dresses or a skirt, pants, a lot of different ways. So here they are. Here's the box. Oh, it's very chic. I like the color. I like this little tag thing too. And these are made out of 100% full grain Spanish bovine leather. It's recommended to wear no-show socks with them. So I just have these white ones. These are from Gymshark, but you can get these anywhere, Target, Walmart, anywhere. So that's what I plan to wear with these. And it's also recommended to spray them with a clear coat of a leather protector spray. So that's just to protect against watermarks and scuffs, stains. They didn't have any particular brand that they recommended. So I got this from Amazon. It's factory laced water and stain repellent, which I will also link below. So I will show you how I'm gonna spray this on later. One of the main problems I was having with Vivaya was the sizing. I measured my feet, I followed the size guide, and I came up with all these different sizes. So I asked support and they gave me recommendation. This time I followed the sizing guide, I measured my feet, and it was so much simpler. I could follow the size guide so much more easily. And I decided that I would be a US size 8 or an EU 39. At first I was kind of worried when I saw they didn't have half sizes, because usually I'm a 7.5. But after following the size guide, I was like, okay, I think EU 39 or size US 8 will be perfect for me. So let's hope they are. All right, so here they are. Oh, nice. It has a little like canvas bags. It also says here, buy one, feed one. We know that when it all comes together, feeling comfortable, looking good, being fuss-free, there is, above all else, an aspiration to make a difference. Every year, we set aside a portion of our proceeds to provide support for children in need. It's about us taking this step together with you. So I like that mission. I like that it has something good behind it because that's important to me too. Oh, I like this bag. I did not know it was going to come with a little bag. So that's fun. That's cute. I like it. I like the long handles. All right, so I got a bag. Did not know that was coming. A nice little canvas bag. And it says Anothersole. All right, so let's open up these shoes. The moment of the truth. Here they are. They come with a support to help them hold their shape. Perfect, nice. I am excited. It's very smooth. I chose these ones because they also have the white bottom. There were some that were white, had like a tan bottom. I like the all white look. I'm excited. There's nothing that beats the smell of fresh leather. It just has a nice new scent to it. So there is the left shoe. And here is the right shoe. Once again, this tag is talking about helping children in need, helping children to get the food they need, which is awesome. Love that mission. And here are the shoes. So if I take these out, they have like the supports here. They're very soft and smooth. I like that. So I'm gonna spray this on them. It says to spray in a well-ventilated area, spray an even layer all around your shoe. So I plan to do that, especially since these are white. We all know white shoes can get dirty the easiest, but I want to protect them as much as possible. Here are the shoes right here from Anothersole. They also have this little AS at the back. It also says inside the tongue, a child is fed with every pair sold. So once again, that's awesome. I love the mission. behind it. And also these insoles are removable, so you can take them out, which is especially good for like washing, or if you want to just let these air dry out separately, then that's great, since we know a lot of moisture can build up inside the shoes. So I like how that is removable. And then underneath it looks like that. And there is the sole of the shoe. This is made with plants. Nice. I'm excited to try them on. So yeah, let me just try them on. We'll just see how it works. I'm gonna put on my no-show socks. Moment of truth, will they fit? Definitely not too big, that's good. Oh yay, it does fit. That's good. I am glad. Yeah, I would recommend loosening the laces a little bit before you try shoving your foot in there. So let's see. And I did not follow my own advice, I did not loosen them. But yes, they're fitting, that's good. And with the socks too. That's also important. So let's just tie them up. Oh, I didn't take this off. Oh well, I'll take it off later. They do fit. They fit comfortably. They're not too big, too small. Awesome. Nice. Oh, I like the insoles. Like, that's comfortable. It has good arch support. Okay, very cool. Nice. Let me walk around in them a bit. Oh, that's comfortable. I do like it. Nice. Okay. I did not expect that arch support, to be honest. I thought they would be a little bit more flat. So I'm very happy with the arch support. I kind of need it. My feet, I think, are a little bit flat. I'm happy with that. And they remind me of dance shoes almost, but I like the flexibility. I don't like shoes that are too stiff and just keep your foot in one position. I like when you can move your foot around. Very nice. I like them a lot. I think they turned out quite well. They fit quite well. So very pleased with them. You can only see the no-show socks a little bit at the back, which I don't mind. There they are. I'm pleased with them. So far, so good. So I'm gonna spray them with the spray, and then I'll show you a few outfits that I would wear with it. As someone who wears a lot of dresses, I wasn't quite sure how these shoes would work with dresses, but I think they pair well with a lot of my more casual dresses, as well as some of the fancier ones. It kind of helps to dress them down a little bit. I have also paired them with a mini skirt and shorts, and I think they go great with that, especially if you have some other white in the outfit or whatever color your shoes are. And I think they also pair well with jeans, whether they are light wash or dark wash, wide leg, straight leg, or skinny. As you can see, these shoes pair well with a lot of items, and I think the quality is quite high, so I would rate them a 5 out of 5 in my book. If you are interested in getting your own pair of Anothersole shoes, you can use my code KaraG to get 5% off your order, or you can follow my link below in the description. Thank you again to Anothersole for sending me these shoes, and thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.